Hey, today we're going to talk about why your martial art doesn't completely suck. How many martial artists does it take to change a light bulb? 100. 1 to change the light bulb, and 99 to say, that'll never work in the street. That's an old joke, and the title of this video is why your martial art doesn't completely suck. That's a little bit tongue-in-cheek, but it's been prompted because I've been watching lots and lots of videos of people who just slag each other constantly and talk bad about, not just in videos. You know that martial artists talk about one another, they talk about other styles, they put other styles down, they put down other martial artists. One of the things that I'm learning from studying the old martial arts, the Kobudo or Koryu as they called, I study an art called Uechi-ryu, which is the origin of Jiu-Jitsu. It was founded in 1532. So it's been around a long time. When you first start in this martial art, you have to actually become accepted. Not everyone can join a Koryu. You are accepted into the Koryu, and there are rules. So the very first page of this Nimon Tebiki, which is in the old days they would give you a scroll. Nowadays it's printed up and put in a booklet form by my sensei, and he was given it by his sensei, who is the 16th generation master of Uechi-ryu Bichuden. And the rules are respect the teaching of your Shihan and senior students. For the purposes of spreading Budo and the success of the dojo, maintain harmony between higher and lower ranks. Do not sow public discord between your ryu and other ryu by fighting or slurs. Fighting with other ryu is strictly forbidden. Do not abuse the traditional techniques of the ryu by showing off to others or using them for self-aggrandizement. Continue to train, exert yourself fully in practice. Do not be distracted during practice. Train diligently, but in a way that will not cause injury to yourself. Do not neglect to order, prepare, and keep ready practice weapons and the dojo water bucket for fire. That, of course, goes to way back when there were a lot of fires plaguing Kyoto. At the beginning of practice, order yourself properly according to rank and pay respects to the shinzen, the front of the dojo, the shrine. You may use a shinken in practice only after receiving permission from your master instructor. A shinken is a live blade. Treat your certificates with care, frame and store them in a proper location. And do not forget or abuse the pride that is instilled in you as a member of the Chofukan and Seifukan dojo. Budo training is a lifelong activity. So these are rules that were formulated when they first started teaching these samurai arts to commoners back in 1532, when they first formulated this art. So these are rules that have evolved since those days. I think we could all learn a little bit from going back to our roots as Budoka, and a little more respect rather than just paying lip service. It's fun to talk badly about other people. It's fun to make fun of other styles. But hey, if you are getting up off the couch and moving your butt, and whenever somebody comes to train with me, I always ask them, why are you interested in training in the martial arts? And they give me answers all across the board. I want to do it for health. I want to do it for self-defense. I want to learn how to fight. I want to protect myself. I want to do it for a way of life, for a meditational aspect. I want to do it for greater focus. I'm interested in the historical and cultural activity. There's so many answers, and none of them are incorrect. They're all correct. So some people are in it for the sport. Whatever gets you up off the couch and gets you to move, whatever holds your interest, whatever. Now, obviously I have my druthers, I have my preferences. I enjoy Uechi-ryu, I enjoy Uechi-ryu, I enjoy the EI and classical Budo. But, you know, if sport is your thing, that's fantastic. If you like mixed martial arts, great. As long as you're not hurting anybody else and you're having a good time and you're doing something healthful. But why do we have to engage in this all the time? And even within the same style, we'll say, "Oh, he's not doing it right. He's got it completely wrong." No, we all have different personalities. We all express ourselves differently. When I'm teaching, I tend to say more often than not, this is how I understand the art to be. This is how I practice it. And yes, we try and uphold standards as far as time and rank, and we have all these guidelines for running our schools and for creating better martial artists. But at the end of the day, we're all human beings. So I'm here to tell you, your martial art doesn't completely suck. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button with the notification bell on, and that way you won't miss out on any of this content, and it will help the channel grow, and thank you in advance. Have a great day, and aloha.